All right, y'all. So I did a video last week on EURUSD where I thought that we were going to see a sale. And when news dropped about what time was that? 2? I think it was about 2 o'clock. We saw price plummet past that daily support level at 104.5, and it's sitting right above weekly support at 103, I think that is. And the anticipated target is 1027 and some change to hit that 38.2 on the daily. However, I think I will have to do a refresh update on this pair to give you guys just my perspective of what I think will happen. I am kind of salty. Last time I made a video on this, which was a week ago, I missed exactly what was happening on this time frame and missed the original entry for the sale. By the time I think we were on a lower time frame, maybe about the 1 hour. It might have been the 1 hour, but was able to get in on the move to the downside on that Monday morning from this pullback. Originally, I thought that we were going to see price push up to 106.40 or 106.40, I think it was, and we didn't. But let me explain to you what it is that I'm seeing. I am seeing this is the active fib, right? It's in red. And so we had an A high, we had a B low. We had price push less than the 38.2, and we stalled out at the 118.127. Then we saw a price push up, and what I missed on the higher time frame was that we had hit that 38.2 and price had formed a daily resistance level. So that was my cue that we were not going to see price push back up. I'm gonna blame that on the day quill that I missed that. But since the setup and since the entry, price has moved about 250, let's call it 250 pips to the downside. I think the entire move that I projected was about 376, and we can take off some pips from that because, yeah, my entry was off. But we hit that 38.2, which is right here. And then what I anticipate and what I hope that we'll see is that we'll see price complete this sequence to the downside on the 4 hour and also hit that 38.2 on the weekly, I think it is. But I gotta take a look. Oops, I'm sorry. I gotta take a look and see how I think price will move forward from here. Because after we hit this weekly level, if we break this level here, baby. So anyway, that is just a quick update. Somebody asked me to do an update on this pair. If you held it out for over the week and found an entry into the move for the sale, then congratulations on your win. All right. I will be putting out a video soon for you guys. I am no longer sick, but recovering from an injury. December has not been my month. But I look forward to getting back in front of the camera for you guys and having a phenomenal 2025. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.